In this video, we will show the 10 best olive oil brands in India 2021 available to buy. At number 1, Orino Extra Light Olive Oil Pet Bottle. Features of Orino Extra Light Olive Oil Pet Bottle are: Pros and cons of Orino Extra Light Olive Oil Pet Bottle are: Our review. At number 2, Leonardo Pomace Olive Oil Tin. Features of Leonardo Pomace Olive Oil Tin are: Pros and cons of Leonardo Pomace Olive Oil Tin are: Our review. At number 3, Borges Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Features of Borges Extra Virgin Olive Oil are: Pros and cons of Borges Extra Virgin Olive Oil are: Our review. At number 4, Bertolli Extra Light Tasting Olive Oil. Features of Bertolli Extra Light Tasting Olive Oil are: Pros and cons of Bertolli Extra Light Tasting Olive Oil are: Our review. At number 5, Oleev Extra Light Olive Oil. Features of Oleev Extra Light Olive Oil are: Pros and cons of Oleev Extra Light Olive Oil are: Our review. At number 6, DiSano Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Features of DiSano Extra Virgin Olive Oil are: Pros and cons of DiSano Extra Virgin Olive Oil are: Our review. At number 7, Figaro Olive Oil Tin. Features of Figaro Olive Oil Tin are: Pros and cons of Figaro Olive Oil Tin are: Our review. At number 8, Del Monte Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Features of Del Monte Extra Virgin Olive Oil are: Pros and cons of Del Monte Extra Virgin Olive Oil are: Our review. At number 9, Rafael Salgado 100% Pure Olive Oil. Features of Rafael Salgado 100% Pure Olive Oil are: Pros and cons of Rafael Salgado 100% Pure Olive Oil are: Our review. At number 10, Kinsfolk Pomace Olive Oil. Features of Kinsfolk Pomace Olive Oil are: Pros and cons of Kinsfolk Pomace Olive Oil are: Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.